Let's talk about sourcing. So tell me a little bit more about how you are conducting your intake calls and the best practices around that, and then how you apply that when it comes to the sourcing strategies.
So in terms of sourcing, so far in my experience, what I did is that I heavily rely on ATS. A strong ATS it's a fantastic sourcing tool in terms of, because it builds a certain pipeline from previous roles, and definitely it continues to build in. So that's a fantastic store. Definitely that's one. Number two is about LinkedIn. So we used to use LinkedIn Referral Lite. So LinkedIn has been a good point of view in terms of sourcing, developing personal networkings as well. And they're like, in terms of specific roles, let's say we're going to hire DevOps engineer, we're going to hire maybe IT professionals or customer support professionals. There are different categories of groups in LinkedIn's and social media like Facebook's and Indeed as well. So we used to go to these groups and advert these roles in these groups as well, so that there is a personal networking building through the focus groups, so that we can have those bunch of people in our pipeline. So yeah, these are the things, and definitely personal networking is a fantastic thing that one recruiter should have. These are the things that basically I look for sourcing. In terms of strategies, what we used to do is that whenever there is a requisition, based on the requisition, we used to improvise the strategies. So let's say we want someone in the DevOps team, and the deadline, let's say we got is within 20 to 25 days we want to onboard someone. So basically, in terms of this sort of deadline, what we used to do is that we used to push it. So what we used to do is that we talk with our internal engineering team, and we have a referral program for these positions as well. So we actually advertise those positions internally, that if you got someone who is actually talented for this position, since we have a limited timeline, so you can refer to this pool, and we will definitely have an interview with those people. That's number one. Number two is that what we used to strategize is that we used to go to different people who were industry leaders in different companies they're working right now. We used to go and talk with them, that what are the things that they're actually currently doing, and if there are any a potential applicant or potential candidate that they have in their checklist. We used to invite them to have a coffee with us, or to have know our company culture, know about what we do here, what is the benefits and everything, and then we indirectly give them a hint maybe that yes, we have certain openings that actually aligns with you, and if you're interested, why don't you have a interview. So these are the sort of things, like direct approaches we did in terms of roles which are very crucial to hire within a short period of time. In terms of long period roles, let's say I need someone 30 days or in 35 days, I used to go through my regular ATS where people should apply, and we used to go through the interviews and everything.